Hey everybody, Stephen Gilbert RC here with the Glamis Uno. This is a body that I've had on it for the longest time. Trying to make it look as stock as possible, having the same stickers on it. We're back at the church we were with the last video. With Charlie here, who is like really far away, the 10 seconds I took my eyes off him. And I was looking at the DR10 by Team Associate. I'm really like, you know, all I do with this car is run up and down the road full speed. I don't really take it off-road much. I do have tires for it, but yeah, so I kind of want to ask you guys as well in the beginning of this video, do you think I could turn this into like a street eliminator? I'm sure I could. I'm sure I could drop it down more. I can probably use these for body posts. It's just the front, I don't know. I haven't taken the body off in a while. There's stuff up here that I could probably mount off of. But I think this would be fun. I mean, all I do with this car is just take it up and run it down my street. It's a hell of a car. It's already pretty low. Just put some drag slicks on it. Now, this is a 7-year-old car plus. I'm running a 3S on it today. The only thing that's original to this is like the chassis and the ESC. I put the stock motor back on it. That's not original. On the front tires, I think might be my first or second pair. Yeah, I've had this car forever. I've replaced almost every piece of plastic on it and need to replace more. So we're going to run it for a little bit and enjoy it. And it's the first like 80-degree day out here in a while. So let's get this plugged in. So I run it a little bit differently. I don't leave the plugs down in the bottom. I bring them all up here because right now I'm running a 5,200 mAh 3-cell, which is really big in that, you know, let me make sure I got my radio on first. And I've got an AVC receiver, which if I was to buy the DR10, I would rip out that DVC and put in AVC anyway, because I've already got the nice Spektrum radio. Oops. Okay. Let's see what we're doing. Okay, cool. So, I have this car so long, I can't remember which one's on. The steering in this does not turn very sharply, which is okay because if I'm running a straight drag car, that's fine. So let's just run it as it is. Maybe you guys see it run and go, yeah, that probably could be a good drag eliminator. How do we tie a string to it and pull Charlie around? How about that? Go! I mean, it tracks straight. It's got the aftermarket sway bars on it, or not aftermarket, well, yeah. So, let's do like one run on it. We'll warm up the tires. Oops. So, this is how straight it runs. Well, I wasn't actually trying to correct for that. And this is like AVC at like 4 or 5, so let me try this again. I was going to bring the GPS. I even charged it. I forgot all about it. Anyways, this is 3S, so this is ridiculously fast. I'm sure on 2S it won't be as bad, since that seems to be kind of what the class everybody runs anyways. Here we go again. So, I'm very confident that if I could get this converted over with the right tires and body, that I could make this a drag eliminator. Yeah, that's all I get out of turning. I had an accident when I first got it, and I destroyed the whole front end, and could just never get it right. The servo saver is a mess and everything, so... Oh, it unplugged itself. Go, bring it over here, Charlie. Look, my little rescue squad. Go, Charlie, go. Oh, God, that's adorable. Bring it. God damn it. What the hell? Yeah, it turned itself off. The cable's, Ow, this ground is hot. Doo-da, doo-da. Get my fucking knees off it. Just get the cable shoved down somewhere. Okay. These are Big Joe 2s for the 16 scale 8 Revo, but I like this size. They fit perfectly. I don't like the stock wheels because they're not glued. The other word I can't think of right now. Anyway, when I got this car, I throw the rubber off them in a second. Throwing rubber off in a second is kind of how he got here. Oh. Is that fun? You get it, Charlie. Nothing like playing chicken with yourself. That time I didn't fall over. I don't have a fan on the ESC, and I really should when I run 3S. But, nope. Also looking at the tire patterns, I probably should fix the camber to roll me. Some of that's partly because of ballooning, but still. Yeah, look at that tire pattern. Wow, that was super duper straight. And that's either battery or temperature. I don't think that'd be battery yet. Hot black top on my knee. $11.1. 3.7. Yeah, it's just hot ESC. I thought this could be a good drag eliminator. I mean, I know the chassis very well. I know how the car handles. I know the goddamn thing's overheating right now. Well, he's tired and burning up, so we're going to get him in the back of the car to cool down. Without shooting it to the pond, let's see if we can take this hill. Oh, bounce. Now, the one thing I do love this car for is snow. This is so freaking fun in the snow. Those who've been watching my channel for a while have seen this thing do some fun stuff in the snow. Yep, 10. Okay, closing up, so let me know what you guys think of the Street Eliminator no prep drag car conversion of this thing. Maybe, might be cool. Or just leave it as it is. It's a good all-around basher. So, you guys have a good day. Say bye, Charlie.
Bye.
So we're going to get some water. Look at your knees. Oh, you're a mess. Say bye.